What's going on, guys? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video. And as you can see, I did the unboxing on the AmazFit T Rex, as you can see there. And it's a great watch. Shout out to Jay Wills for putting me onto it. He doesn't know that, but I saw one of his videos and I saw this watch. And as he was going through, I said, you know what? I need something like that to go hand in hand with my Apple Watch. So what I was going to do was get this watch and just use it for work purposes, because the environment I work in is kind of rough, and this can take a beating according to its specs and from other videos that I've seen. So I end up purchasing it. Very great watch, great quality. I got it for about 140, and I think it was close to 160 with rush delivery because I wanted it as quickly as possible. I got it from the official website because Amazon, for some strange reason, it didn't have it in this color. So I went in ahead and got the watch. I can leave a link down below in the video, in the description. So taking a look at it, it does pretty much everything the Apple Watch does. Heart rate, first and foremost, it's a workout watch. You can do running, all that healthy stuff that you want in a watch. Currently don't have my Apple Watch, but it's over there charging. So yeah, the screen is AMOLED, very beautiful. It looks like a typical, like when I first brought this to work, people thought it was a G-Shock, which it did remind me of, and I love G-Shocks. I think I need to start collecting them again. You have your simple up and see, yeah, up, down, and then you have your select and back. Fairly simple. You don't really have to touch the screen, which is pretty cool with this device. But yeah, you can go back. It has an all-day display. It's in the options if you want to do that. Let me go ahead and show you that. So you're gonna swipe, and then you're gonna scroll down to settings right there. And go ahead and click that, and then you're gonna go to screen. Always on display. Not sure if you can see that. I'm looking at my screen here and I can't see it, but hopefully you guys can. And you're gonna go ahead and hit that, and then you have here close, digital watch face. So you have two options of different faces. You have the pointer face, which is the one I just showed you, and then you have the digital watch face. So it's gonna tell you, give you a warning if you select this setting. It's gonna have an effect on your battery life. And let me get into that with the battery life on this thing. So I'm gonna hit OK, and then you're gonna back out of there, all the way back. Then you're gonna hit back again, and then you have your simple watch face on here. So for a few seconds, you're gonna have this on, and then after a few seconds, it will go off, and then it'll go on to the other display. So on this display, it will just show you your steps, the hour, the date and time, the day and Sunday, and then it'll show you what day of the month it is. And then you have it here in the corner, it will show you your battery life, which is pretty cool. So again, you can just tap on there, and then they have many different watch faces. I'll add it to the video here, but you have over, like, I think 20 watch faces, which is pretty cool. And all of them have server function. They'll have like little, let me show you, for example, this one, like these little yellow, dots here, or squares. It'll show you your battery life. So as it goes down, as your battery life goes down, these will deplete little by little. And then down here, you'll have your distance you've traveled. And then under that, your steps. Let's see if I can focus on there. So yeah, you can see your steps, the distance, of course the time, and then up here you'll have your date, the day it is, which is Sunday, and then up top you have your heart rate and also your calories on the other side. So it shows a lot of detail in this watch face, which is pretty cool. Apple does the same, but I think this does it a little better. I just like how it just stands out and utilizes the whole watch face here. Let me go ahead and show you. The only downside, even though you have like 20 something different watch faces, go ahead and tap. It'll only save up to like 3. So you're gonna have to go in, just hold this down. So yeah, you'll see that swipe. You have that option and that option. So let me go ahead and show you this one. So like this one, it'll show you the weather, of course the time, the date and month, the calories burned. It shows a little flame on there, the steps. You know, like I said, I love the details that they add onto these watches, and because the screen is so good, it almost looks kind of fake. You know, as I was walking around in work, and someone said, "Oh, the watch face looks fake," but it's very vibrant and detailed. You can see the back here. These are where the light emits to take your heart rate, in the middle as well. And then also these two on the side, right and left, that's where these right and left that's where you put your charger. It goes on magnetically, so you'll never miss it. And other details about the watch, the GPS on here is pretty accurate, and that's pretty cool because of the price range. To get a watch that has GPS in it is a big bonus on there. So when you're jogging, you can see your position, and also the app on here is really good. It tells you the details. The other day I tried the sleep section of the app, left this on. That's one of the benefits about this watch. Like I said, going back to the life, the battery life on this, it advertises about 20 days, I believe. Yes, 20 days of battery life. Not sure if you can see that. Let me go ahead and try to focus. 20 days of battery life. So with the on-screen all day, it's obviously going to affect that. So, but in my experience having the all day, it lasted about 3 days, and I get a lot of notifications. So I'm going to experiment with it. But so far, 3 days with no charging, all day screen on, and this time I'm going to limit the notification. But I'm guessing without the all day face, it should last 20 days. And then you also have, on top of that, which is pretty cool, it has a battery saving mode. Let me go ahead and show you that. So you're gonna swipe down, and then you have some quick menus here. You have, no do not disturb. There was the battery settings, savings. You have your flashlight. It doesn't have a flashlight, but it uses the screen to brighten up. And then, and then up top, it has the battery percentage. And I'll talk to you about that. A lot of YouTubers don't talk about this. I'm not sure if it's a software glitch, but I also have a little clip I'm going to throw in here about that. The battery, when taking it off the charger, it'll say 100%, but as soon as you literally take it off the charger, it'll drop down to 98%. I don't know what that's about, but I researched, and a lot of people seem to have this problem. I don't know why other YouTubers don't bring this up, but if you want to get this watch, just be on the lookout for that. Overall, it's not going to really matter because it lasts a lot longer than your conventional watch. I mean, not conventional, your typical smartwatch like Apple Watch, Samsung, and things like that. So you don't have to worry about that. But yeah, going back to the battery saving mode, it'll tell you when power saving is enabled, the watch will only record steps and sleep time. And of course, show you your time, of course. So you're going to hit OK or yes on that. And from what I heard from other YouTubers is that it can last up to as long as 60 days on that battery saving, which is phenomenal. I mean, I don't really have words for that, because that's something you don't see on a smartwatch. And like I said I tweeted out before, I will not purchase another Apple Watch. I'm good with my Series 4. I will not purchase another Apple Watch until they incorporate a better battery that can at least last 1 week, at least 1 week. You spend $400 plus, and that's with just the GPS model. Then you have the cellular model, and these things don't even last more than 2 days. Some might squeeze out 3 days if they're lucky. But I mean, come on, guys, 140 or 130 bucks, depending on where you find this, and you're getting good battery life. Also, you know, you have your typical settings. You have a quick access to your steps and calories and stuff while swiping up. You also have your heart monitoring, which I do not have it on here on my wrist, so I'm not going to do that. What else does it have? You have status. Again, it's basically like what I just showed you in the front, but a little bit more detailed. You have your workout, activities. It records your activities. You have music. One thing about this watch, it does not have speakers and a mic, so you're not able to answer phone calls. You can decline phone calls on here. You can decline them, and that's basically it. But you can also control your music on here if you want to. Again, you're paying $130 something. You're getting pretty much all you want, minus those 2 factors, which is not a big deal for me because I normally don't take phone calls from my Apple Watch anyway. I might text here and there, but it's something I don't use on a daily basis, basically. So those features gone, it's not the end of the world. You can set your alarm. You have event reminder, countdown, find my phone. I heard it's not as good as find your iPhone or whatever, but at least you have that option. Compass, I haven't calibrated that yet. You have to walk in an S line to get it calibrated. Overall, this watch is what's his, I forgot his name. As Flossie Carter would say, this watch is a GOAT. I'm not sure if he did this watch, but if he ever sees this video, I might tag him. He has to do a video on this. This watch is great. Like, let me go over some other stuff. Like I said, military grade. It's water resistance, 50 meters, built-in GPS and multi-sports mode. And to top it off, like I said, a nice AMOLED screen to go. So you have the screen, you have the battery life, you have your typical activity features, heart rate, etc., your workout, and the band itself is very rugged, strong. I've seen some videos. I'm guessing you need a special tool, but I've seen some videos where they unscrew this and you can put other bands on here. I wish they would have, had it easier to switch out bands on this watch. And there's also some places where you can actually change the face. These 4 screws on here, you can take them off and you can put a different plate on there. I think they're on eBay. I think I saw some for like, it was a pack of 8 for $199. I'll probably check them out. But yeah, overall this is a great watch. The cons, there's not too many cons other than, like I said, when you take it off charge, it will drop the battery percentage from 100 to 98%. What else? The bands are not interchangeable, not easily interchangeable. Can't change them. What else can I say? Oh yeah, I do have some problems. Like, I'm so used to the Apple Watch strap on how easily to, put on your wrist. This takes some time getting, I don't know if it's because of the rubbery part or how rubbery it is, but sometimes it takes a while for you to get it through this loop when it's on your arm and you're trying to get it through. But other than that, those are the only cons I have here. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention about this watch, and in terms of the cons, is notifications. Every once in a while, the notifications will stop coming in and you'll notice it. So sometimes you have to check if it's on do not disturb. And if it's not, you're gonna have to reboot the watch in order for the notifications to come in, like right now. So they're coming in. But after a while, they stop coming in and you have to reboot it. Hopefully the company behind this continues to support software-wise so that things like this can be fixed. We'll see. Other than that, yeah, let's watch. The positive outweighs the negative on this watch. Like I said, very few negative. You can't go really wrong with this. 130, 140 bucks. Pretty solid device. Oh yeah, the battery. I forgot to tell you. The reason why the battery lasts so long is because it comes with a 500 milliamp max battery, which, well, when I checked my Series 4, it's about 294 milliamp. I don't know what excuse Apple has for not putting at least 500 in there. It's not like the technology is not out there, but then again, you know, their practice, you know, they want you to upgrade every year, and so every year they'll slowly increment better battery and yada yada and all that. But yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos. I know I've been lacking lately, but in the upcoming months, I have things planned. I'm just getting some stuff situated, but hopefully more videos coming out real soon. More watches probably, similar to this. And yeah, hit that thumbs up. Peace out.